Hey there everyone, Joe Mazur here again from josephbuyshomes.com. Hey, I wanted to show you today a house that we helped close for Frank in Clinton Township, Michigan, and he was very happy with our work that he wrote us this great testimonial. So today I wanted to show you the house, show you the testimonial, and maybe it'll help you make a decision. If you have a house that needs a lot of repairs, just like Frank's house did, then you can call us or visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com. Frank didn't want to make any more of the repairs, so if this describes your situation and you need to sell and you just can't afford the repairs, then again, visit us at josephbuyshomes.com and we can help you. We'll pay with cash, we can close quickly or close on your timeline if you have time to wait. You won't have to pay any real estate commissions or closing costs or anything like that. We take care of everything. So again, contact us, click the link below, or visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com, and we look forward to hearing from you and helping you the best way we can. This is the house that Frank and his family owned. You can see that it did need repairs, and even with all the repairs that were needed, we were still able to close it and get it off Frank's hands without him having to do any more of the repairs. And he was very happy with the work that we did, so he wrote us an excellent testimonial. And this is what his testimonial said. Joe Mazur sold property for me. He is excellent in what he does. He is straightforward and 100% honest. He is someone you can trust. I would highly recommend him to anyone. By dealing with him, you will never go wrong. And that was written by Frank, and we really appreciate the kind words that he said. So if you need to sell your house, please visit us at josephbuyshomes.com, and we look forward to working with you and helping you the best way we can. Take care.